Hey fellow Wookiees, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural, and in this video you're seeing me experiment with a hairstyle that I've been wanting to try for a while. I'm calling this the Criss Cross Roll Updo. And so what I've done is section my hair into 3 parts. I have 2 side parts and 1 center part, and then in the center part I have sectioned my hair into 3 sections, and I am going to make a roll or a braid to braid my hair down. And then I'm going to use the side sections to twist my hair and put it in between the 2 rolls. So you'll see what I'm doing as I start to do it. I was originally going to put my hair in a ponytail, but my hair is not going to stay in the ponytail, so I decided to braid it down instead. This way, my hair won't have any flyaway or odd pieces out, and I'll be able to better manage it. So then on the side, I'm going to take sections of hair on the side, twist it, 2-strand twist it, and crisscross it in between the 2 buns for like a mohawk type look. And then I'll do something with the front. So just stay tuned and watch as I complete this look.